Hey, shout out to you guys in downtown Redlands. Be careful. You got a bunch of kids out there. Fuck Trump, fuck Trump. If this was really a dictatorship, you guys would all be dead. You wouldn't be protesting. They'd have you in shackles in the jail, beating you down. These kids do understand nothing, man. Oh, yeah. You wouldn't know communism if it hit you upside the head. Be careful here in Redlands. They're all on the street running across. Go out there. Just a bunch of young, stupid kids. And that don't know shit, man. That's the problem. If you want to get arrested for your calls, get arrested for your calls. These dumb kids don't even get arrested for their calls. If you're going to protest, get arrested. And then you go to jail and people say, hey, man, that guy's protesting for a call. If we don't protest waving flags, waving Mexican flags, waving all kind of flags for... What you gonna get from me? I'm black. What do you think I deserve? What do you think a black man's gonna give an illegal alien? Honestly, what do you think we gonna do? I'm gonna bow down and help you out? No. Come on, man. What's wrong with you? They going to the minorities and stuff. Is it okay? Is it okay? No, it's not okay, you dumbass Democrats. Let it go, man. Black people and people who are trying to immigrate over here legally take years and years to get in. Oh, just let the illegal in. I can't help it that you're trying to build a new voter base, that you lost the black men, you lost the Hispanic, you lost the Asian. Now all you left with is the trans and the illegal alien. That ain't gonna be enough to get you in the house, get you into nothing. You see, how did it turn out spending $1 billion? Where'd that get you? You had all those freaks going to all these events. Harris. Then it came time to put up or shut up. House lost, Senate lost, presidency lost, and probably more losses. Stop, kids, stop. Vote. That's what we vote every 4 years. 2028 is your time. 2028 is your time to go back out there, make a statement. Till then, live with it, man. Live with it like we've lived with it for 4 years of Obama, 4 years of Clinton, I think, or maybe 8 years of Clinton. 2 years of him. We went through 18 years of shit, man. We don't care about your whining and complaining. Half of you can't even wipe your asses, put you guys out on the street. So let it go. Go home. 2028. Don't burn nothing. Because this time, if you try to burn something, you're going to go to jail. And you may have a knot on the side of your head to let you know to give you a trophy from that.